Cloud migration is not just about avoiding downtime. If your EHR server stalls during flu season, you are not just fixing technology. You are trying to keep patient records accessible, HIPAA-compliant, and audit-ready. And when regulations like CMMC and SOX overlap, one migration misstep can create compliance gaps or expose sensitive billing data. Willis Cantey, CEO at Cantey Tech Consulting, puts it plainly. Cloud migration exposes the real business risks hiding behind your compliance checklists. Ignore them, and you'll pay the price. The biggest challenges often show up early. Legacy systems can block critical workloads. Security gaps can put trust at risk. Budget surprises can weaken the business case before the benefits arrive. Skill shortages can leave teams struggling to manage new environments. And compliance issues may surface later, forcing costly rework. That is why cloud migration needs more than a technical checklist. Start by mapping your current infrastructure. Build a migration team that includes IT, operations, finance, and compliance. Address security and privacy before moving sensitive data. Train your staff so they know what to expect. Then keep monitoring and fine-tuning after go-live. The right partner also matters. End-to-end managed IT support, clear KPIs, advanced cybersecurity, and local accountability can turn migration from constant firefighting into steady progress. A tailored roadmap helps align your technology with long-term goals, whether you are moving to the cloud or bringing workloads back for better control. Cloud migration affects how your people work, how secure your data stays, and how quickly your business can move forward. To dig deeper into the full guidance, read the full article, and add this to your Spotify playlist.